pilot in there?
Yeah.
What's he doing? That's the pilot?
Yeah. And this is a pilot.
He's a pilot car too?
Yeah.
And they're all flying in the same plane?
Yeah.
Where are they going to?
The airplane's right there.
Where's the plane flying to?
It's going right up the stairs.
Oh, and this is the landing spot?
Yeah. That car's not gonna go up the stairs.
So you have to fly up the stairs.
Yeah.
Because you can't walk?
Yeah. Cars can't walk. Cars can't walk.
So you're helping them?
Yeah. I can help them. In the airplane.
Are they going for a ride?
Yeah.
Did you buckle them up?
Yeah. We have to go on the bump thing. We have to go on the bump thing. Hey. We have to go on the bump plane.
Bumpy plane ride?
Yeah. Bumpy plane ride. Cause the cars and gonna go. The car's gonna go.
Where are they going? In Florida?
Yeah, Florida.
Florida?
And or the other car.
Oh.
In the airplane.
Oh, the one you're missing him?
Yeah. He is. He is. He is. He's in the airplane. He's in the airplane. He's in the airplane.
Is he happy?
He's happy. The happy car.
You're gonna fly back to the other room?
Yeah.
They all had their fun, now it's time to fly home?
Yeah. All gonna fly up to the overport. To the overport.
Airport.
Yeah. The overport. The airplane's gonna go.
They are.
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on.
You have to forward me.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no!
Is he okay?
Yeah, it's okay. It's just go up the airplane. Let's get out. Let's get out. The airplane.
It's too bumpy?
Yeah, it's too bumpy.